वेलकम टू द चैनल। आज हम प्रोडक्शन इंजीनियरिंग के कुछ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे जो प्रीवियस ईयर में आए हुए हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द मेन पर्पस ऑफ चैपलेट यूज्ड इन फाउंड्री प्रैक्टिस आर। द मेन पर्पस ऑफ चैपलेट का जो पर्पस होता है, ऑप्शन सी, टू सपोर्ट द कोर। नेक्स्ट, core print are used to support the seat and hold the core in place. Option B is right answer. Next, due to sake allowance is the keyword. The fillet are provided on pattern. No. The pattern is made slightly bigger than the required size. No. The taper is provided on vertical faces pattern. No. The pattern is made slightly smaller than required size. Right. Next, the property of molding sand which does not provide any resistance to contraction of the solidified casting is called. Do not provide any resistance to contraction, that is our collapsibility. Next, chills are mixed in sand to enhance its collapsibility. Chills are mixed to sand. No. Metallic objects is provide very high heat extraction capability of sand molding. Yes, this is the right answer. Metallic objects to provide very high heat extraction capability to sand mold. B is your right answer. Next, the atmosphere required in the furnace for nitriding the steel component is of ammonia. Atmosphere required in the furnace for nitriding, that is ammonia, is right answer. Next, shrinkage allowance on the pattern is provided to take care of. Shrinkage allowance, liquid shrinkage yes, solid shrinkage yes, so both is your right answer, liquid and solid shrinkage. Next, decreasing the clay contained in the mold sand increase permeability. Next, refractoriness of the molding sand can be increased by increasing the grain size. Next, chills are used in casting to provide directional solidification. Option B is your right answer. Next, which of the following generally has square cross section? So, billet have square cross section. Next, which of the following generally has square cross section? Same question. Here is some points. Ingots के बारे में बताया गया कि ingot क्या होता है. Ingot is a brick of cast iron poured off a foundry or drained out of a bloomery. Size is dependent on the size of the foundry and the intended used for the ingot. Bloom क्या होता है? A bloom is an intermediate product, rectangular in shape. Bloom की shape होती है rectangular, with the cross sectional area typically larger than 36 square inch. Slab होता है हमारा. Slab is an intermediate shape between an ingot and a plate with the width at least twice its thickness. Billet होता है हमारा. Billet can be round or square with cross section area. Next, bell shapes are generally made by single piece pattern. Next, the property of molding sand that allows the gases to escape from the mold. Gases escaped from the mold is called permeability. Next, which of the following process is suitable for making hollow parts with thin section? That is blow molding. Next, blow molding के बारे में बताया गया है. Blow molding is a specific manufacturing process by which hollow plastic parts are formed and can be joined together. It is also used for forming glass bottles or other hollow shapes. The blow molding process begins with melting down the plastic and the forming it into a parison, or in the case of injection, an injection stretch. Blow molding perform. The parison is a tube like piece of plastic with a hole in one end through which compressed air can pass. The parison is then clamped into the mold and air is blown into it. Next, the tapered provided on the pattern for its a taper provided on pattern for its easy and clean withdrawal from the mold is known as draft allowance. Next, the draft angle is provided for forged parts. Draft angle is provided for forged parts for easy removal from die cavities. Next, the main advantage of using CO2 molding is that main advantage gases formed react with CO2 to form a colloidal solution. Option C is right answer. Next, the ratio of surface energy termed to volume energy termed in the nucleation energy equation at critical condition during the solidification process is right answer B minus 3 by 2. Next, which condition is non-favorable for continuous chip? That is brittle workpiece. Non-favorable continuous chip. That is brittle workpiece. Next, in a green sand molding process, uniform ramming leads to less change of porosity. No. Uniform flow of molten metal into the cavity. Great dimension stability of casting. Less sand expansion type of casting defect. Correct answer is uniform flow of molten metal into mold cavity. Next, in a green sand molding process, uniform ramming leads to same question. Surface to be left unfinished are to be painted by black color. Next, consider the following statement with regard to the feeding system of the casting. The feeder should be thermally adequate. Okay. The feeder should be volumetric adequate. The feeder should be adequate feeding range. All options are correct. Next, in any casting process, shrinkage allowance on the pattern is provided in order to compensate when the temperature of the liquid metal drop from the pouring to its freezing temperature. The temperature of the liquid metal drop from pouring to its freezing temperature. Wrong. The metal change from the liquid to the solid state at its freezing temperature. Wrong. The temperature of solid phase drop from it freezing temperature to room temperature, right? C option is your right answer. Next, investment casting is used for complex, intricate shapes which cannot be cast by any other method. So option D is your right answer. Next, about investment casting, complex shapes which are difficult to produce by any other method are possible since the pattern is withdrawn by melting it. Very fine details and thin section can be produced by this process. Very close tolerance and better surface finish can be produced. Next, according to कोवोरिनोव, फॉर्मूला बताना है कोवोरिनोव का फॉर्मूला होता है TS इजिकल टू के, कांस्टेंट है हमारा, मोल्ड कास्टिंग कांस्टेंट है, अपॉन वॉल्यूम अपॉन सरफेस एरिया का होल स्क्वायर. नेक्स्ट, कोल्ड चैम्बर डाई कास्टिंग इज सुटेबल फॉर विच ऑफ द मटीरियल लिस्टेड बिलो. कोल्ड चैम्बर डाई कास्टिंग सॉफ्ट मटीरियल के लिए सुटेबल होता है एज लाइक ब्रास. नेक्स्ट, sand and oxide layer adhering to the casting are removed by which of the following, that is shot blasting. Next, which of the following are provided in mold so as to increase the heat extraction capacity of sand molds? Heat extraction capacity, that is chills. Next, chaplets are used to support cores inside the mold cavity. Chills होते हैं हमारे, chills are metallic objects which are placed in the mold to increase the heat extraction capacity of casting. Solidification, directional solidification भी कह सकते हैं. core used to make hollow cavities used in centrifugal casting. With hollow cavities, upper part of mold is scope, lower part is mold tag, and middle part is called cheek. Next, which of the following is best suited for production of hollow pipes? So centrifugal casting is used for hollow pipes in which no core is used. Centrifugal casting is used for making bigger size hollow symmetrical pipes. For producing a hollow parts, the axis of rotation is placed at the center of desired casting. The speed of rotation is maintained as high as to produce a centripetal acceleration of the order of 60 gravity to 70 gravity. It should be noted casting of hollow parts need no core in this process. If the proportion of oxygen is less than the proportion of acetylene, जिसमें ऑक्सीजन का जो पार्ट है वो कम होता है, पोर्शन कम होता है, और एसिटिलीन का ज़्यादा होता है, वो होता है कार्बोराइजिंग फ्लेम. Carbonizing flame is one in which the supply of acetylene is excess as compared to oxygen. If the supply of acetylene is less than oxygen, then this is known as oxidizing flame. If both acetylene and oxygen ratio is equal, then the flame is called as Next, the gating ratio refers to the cross section area. Gating ratio, स्प्रू, रनर एंड इनगेट. स्प्रू होता है, रनर होता है एंड इनगेट होता है. नेक्स्ट, विच फोर्स इज एक्टिंग ऑन द कोर व्हेन द मेटल इज पोर्ड इनटू द मोल्ड कैविटी? सो दिस इज buoyancy. व्हेन कोर इज प्लेस्ड इन द कैविटी एंड हम उसमें मेटल डालते हैं तो कोर पर जो है कोर जो है वो मेटल में तैरता रहता है, फ्लोट करता रहता है, इसलिए उस पर बाउंसी फोर्स एक्ट करता है. नेक्स्ट, a reservoir of molten metal provided in the casting so that hot metal can flow back into the mold cavity due to reduction of volume of metal due to solidification is known as. सबसे पहले हम स्पू से जो हमारी कैविटी तक है मोल्टन पास करते हैं और कुछ मोल्टन मेटल जो रहता है वो राइज़र में चला जाता है. जब पूरी प्रोसेस में सबसे बाद में जो सॉलिडिफाई होता है मेटल वो राइज़र का रहता है, क्योंकि अगर सॉलिडिफिकेशन होने के बाद अगर मोल्टन मेटल श्रिंक होता है तो जो मेटल रिक्वायर्ड होता है वो राइज़र से कैविटी तक पहुंच जाता है और जो मेटल की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है वो पूरी हो जाती है. बस यही कहा गया इन लाइंस में. तो ऑप्शन राइज़र इज द राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट, राइज़र टू टाइप्स. राइज़र कंपनसेशन टू टाइप्स का होता है. एक लिक्विड, जब लिक्विड फॉर्म में जब सॉलिडिफाई होता है मेटल तब भी जो हमारा राइज़र से जो मेटल है वो कंपनसेट करता है रिक्वायरमेंट को, और जब सॉलिडिफाई हो जाता है तब भी राइज़र से मटेरियल कंपनसेट करता है रिक्वायरमेंट को. नेक्स्ट, एबिलिटी ऑफ कास्टिंग मटेरियल टू fill the mold cavity in described by. Ability of casting material to fill the mold cavity is desired by fluidity. Next, fluidity के बारे में बताया गया है इसमें. श्रिंकेज अलाउंस में बी एक्सप्रेस्ड इन. श्रिंकेज अलाउंस हमारा मिलीमीटर पर मीटर में शो करता है. आंसर बी इज राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट, फॉर गेटिंग सिस्टम ऑफ कास्टिंग चोक एरिया बताना है इसमें कि चोक एरिया क्या होता है. एम है हमारा मास ऑफ कास्टिंग, रो है डेंसिटी, एच है इफेक्टिव मीटर हाइट, सी है इफिशिएंसी फैक्टर, टी है हमारा पोरिंग टेम्परेचर. तो आप याद कर लीजिए, चोक एरिया होता है हमारा m/ρTC √2GH. चोक एरिया इज इक्वल टू m/ρTC √2GH. A इज इक्वल टू m/ρTC √2GH. नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट द कास्टिंग डिफेक्ट. Stop off is not our casting defect. Hot tears is a casting defect. Run out, blow holes, all three are casting defects. Next, hot tears also known as hot cracking are failure in the casting that occurs as the casting cools. A run out is caused when the molten metal leaks out of the mold caused by faulty mold making or faulty flask. Blowholes when gases entrapped on the surface of the casting due to solidifying metal. A rounded or oval cavity is formed called blowholes. Next, which of the following process technique does not produce continuous product? Does not produce continuous product. So in injection molding does not produce continuous product. Next, कैलेंडरिंग प्रोसेस क्या होता है. अ कैलेंडर इज अ सीरीज ऑफ हार्ड प्रेशर रोलर्स. अ सीरीज है हार्ड प्रेशर रोलर्स की जो यूज़ होती है फिनिश करने में प्रोडक्ट को और स्मूथ करने में मेनली शीट टाइप के मटेरियल्स को, जैसे कि पेपर, टेक्सटाइल्स, प्लास्टिक्स. कैलेंडर रोल्स आर यूज टू फॉर्म सम टाइप ऑफ प्लास्टिक फिल्म्स. और इंजेक्शन मोल्डिंग हमारी कंटिन्यूस मोल्डिंग नहीं होती है. नेक्स्ट, इन सैंड कास्टिंग व्हेन इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल टू गेट वेरी फाइन डिटेल. इन सैंड casting when it is not possible to get very fine detail on the surface, then some modifications are done in a pattern termed as option D. Option E, elimination of details. Next, the ability of the molding material to withstand the high temperature. Ability withstand material ability withstand the high temperature, that is known as refractoriness. Ability of withstand at the high temperature. Next, generally dash is used as a binder in coarse sand. So linseed oil is used as a binder in coarse sand. Option D is right answer. Next, dash is not the slack trap mold used in sand molding. So bottom gate is not the slack trap method used in sand molding. Next, cylinder block of internal combustion engine are made by cylindrical block by forging. Next, in cell molding, the dimensional accuracy that can be expected in 1 millimeter, 0.03 to 0.005 millimeter is expected in cell molding. Next, the disadvantage of die casting process. डिसएडवांटेज और डाई कास्टिंग प्रोसेस में है द हैवी सेक्शन कैन नॉट आएगा यहाँ पर, कैन नॉट बी इजीली कास्ट. सी इज योर राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट, डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ डाई कास्टिंग प्रोसेस, ऑल मेटल एंड अलॉय कैन नॉट बी कास्ट. ओके. नेक्स्ट है कॉस्ट ऑफ मशीन्स, डाइस एंड अदर इक्विपमेंट इज हाई. Heavy casting cannot be cast. Next, in centrifugal casting, the cores are generally made of. In centrifugal casting, cores are generally made of wax. Next, the firing of a cupola is start before 2.5 to 3 hours before the first metal is trapped. Answer A is right option. Next, a sprue is a passage through which liquid material is introduced into a mold, a process of cleaning casting. So A is your right answer. Next, fuel used in pit furnace is generally coal. D is your right answer. Next, riser is generally located on the uppermost section of the casting. C is your right answer. Next, pouring basin is provided in sand molding. Pouring basin is provided in sand molding to reduce the turbulence in liquid metal. Option A, to reduce the turbulence in liquid metal. Next, in die casting, the molds are made of metal. Next one, the riser is designed in such a way that it's solidified before casting. No, it's solidified after casting. Yes, it's solidified after casting. B is your right answer. Next, aluminium. Next option है, if a cube of 100 millimeter dimension is to be made of aluminium, shrinkage allowance है 10 millimeter per minute, what will be the dimension of wooden pattern? Assume only shrinkage allowance. So shrinkage allowance हमारी होती है मिलीमीटर पर मिनट. यहाँ पर 10 मिलीमीटर श्रिंकेज अलाउंस दी गई है, 10 मिलीमीटर मीटर सिंकेज अलाउंस दी गई है हमारी 1000 मिलीमीटर पर, 10 मिलीमीटर अपॉन 1000 मिलीमीटर, क्योंकि एक मीटर इज इक्वल टू 1000 मिलीमीटर। सो यहाँ पर 10 मिलीमीटर है, यानी 100 मिलीमीटर पर 1 मिलीमीटर हमारी अलाउंस दी गई है। क्योंकि क्यूब है तो एक में अगर 1 मिलीमीटर अलाउंस दी गई है तो सभी में 3 डायमेंशन में डेप्थ, विड्थ और हाइट तीनों में 1 मिलीमीटर अलाउंस दी जाएगी। तो आंसर हो जाएगा हमारा ए 101 इंटू 101 आया हमारा 100 मिलीमीटर प्लस 1 मिलीमीटर। सो 101 मिलीमीटर विड्थ हो गई, 101 मिलीमीटर हमारी डेप्थ हो गई, 101 मिलीमीटर हमारी हाइट हो गई। सो आंसर ए इज योर राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट, which of the following is not a part of gating system? So vent is not a part of gating system. sprue है हमारा, pouring basin है, gate and riser. Next, ornaments are cast by pressed casting, option C. Next, the sand is packed on pit mold with sand slingers. Next, die cast parts are used when material of the part has low melting point, parts have small size, parts are made on large scale. Option A, B and D all are correct. So option C, all three objectives are desired. Next, in die casting process, any metal can be cast? No. Any size of casting can be prepared? No, because heavy section is not prepared in this die casting. The cost of dies is generally insufficient? No. Very high production rate are possible. So option D is your right answer. Next. So guys, thank you for watching.